Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to BK Mathematics, and we are given a problem on the board to solve. This is simultaneous equation, one linear, one quadratic. Now, if this is your first time of you coming across this channel, please make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit from this. Okay. Now let's get to look at the problem that we are given now. It reads 2x squared plus 3xy plus y squared is equal 0. And this is equation 1, and we are given equation 2 also as 3x plus y is equals 2. This is equation 2. Okay? And okay, now let's try to solve it now. Okay? And since this is linear, one linear, one quadratic, we say let's try to make, we say now make y the subject. We say make y the subject. Make y the subject in equation 2. In equation 2. We know equation 2 is very simple for us to make y the subject. Since we are given 3x plus y, everything becomes 2. Then y then becomes 2 when this one is moving, you have minus 3x. We say this is equation 3. Now we are already making y the subject of the relation. This one is very simple now for us to substitute and arrive at our final answer. Then we say now let's just try to substitute now y in equation 1. Then since we are given equation 1 as 2x squared plus 3xy plus y squared, everything becomes 0. Now, but let's say we are giving y as 2 minus 3x. This is what we have now as y. Okay? Now, what I need to do here is, you just need to substitute y inside this equation. Anywhere you see y, you replace it by y. By 2 minus 3x. Then we say 2x squared plus 3x into, this is y, and we just need to replace it with 2 minus 3x. Okay? Plus, this is also y, replace it with 2 minus 3x raised to the power 2, everything becomes 0. Now the first step, the other step that you have to take if you want to do any mistake, let's try to expand this one. Okay? Now we have 2x squared, we expand this becomes plus 6x minus 9x squared plus, now we are having 2 minus 3x raised to the power 2, everything becomes 0. Now, if you want to do any mistake, let's try to expand this bracket first. Now, since we are having 2 minus 3x squared, let's expand into, say expand first. We say expand first. Now, if you want to expand this bracket, it continues from this point. Since we are giving 2 minus 3x squared, I want to expand this one. This will become 2 minus 3x into 2 minus 3x. Expanding this one, just like we apply expansion of bracket. That is 2 into 2 minus 3x minus 3x into 2 minus 3x. Then this becomes 4 minus 6x minus 6x plus 9x squared. Now if we try to simplify from this point, then we are having 4 minus 12x plus 9x squared. Okay? Now, since we are already expanding this bracket, let's try to take it from where we stop now. That is, we say recall that we have 2x squared plus 6x minus 9x squared. Now, let's just take it from this point now. We say minus 4 minus 12x plus 9x squared. Everything becomes 0. Okay? Now from this point, we say minus 9x squared plus 9x squared cancel with each other. Then let's write what remains and see. We have 2x squared plus 6x minus 12x minus, this is plus 4. We say plus 4, everything becomes 0. Now let's subtract the right hand. You just need to subtract. Then we say 2x squared 6x minus 12x will be minus 6x plus 4. Everything becomes 0. Now, since 2 can divide this 4 times with no remainder, we use 2 to divide them. That is, we reduce their factors first. Then this one becomes x squared minus 3x plus 2. Everything becomes 0. This is quadratic equation now. And if it is quadratic equation, you can use any of the method that you prefer for you to arrive at the values of x. Now, from this point, we are going to use factorization method. Okay? We say by factorization method, because that is the simplest method that we have to use to factorize this one. Now, to factorize this one, we just need to use to find two numbers. We are given, if we multiply the two numbers, we are going to have 2, and adding the two numbers to we are going to have minus 3. That is, we say x squared. Instead of this, the two numbers are 2 and 3. Because if we say 2 times 1, we are going to have 2, and 2 plus 1 giving you 3. That is the middle term. Then we say minus 2x. Minus 2x minus x plus 2. Everything becomes 2. Now, if you are looking at 2 by 2, what is the common factor from this point? We say it is x, and so what remains is x minus 2. What is the common factor from this point? Also, it is minus 1 into x minus 2. Everything becomes 0. Now, we take those that are outside the bracket first. We say this becomes x minus 1 into x minus 2. Because at the same, we take one of the brackets. Now we can conclude as we say either, it continues from this point, we say either, now we can take this bracket one at a time for us to find the value of x. We say x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x becomes 0 plus 1, then x becomes 1, okay? Or it can also be as x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x now becomes 0 plus 2, then the value of x becomes 2 respectively. Okay? So these are the values of x that we have to find. Then we want to find the values of y. We say now substituting x in equation 3. But we know equation 3 stated as we say y is equal. We are already taking it the subject from this point. That is 2 minus 3x. We say 2 minus 3x. But we have x as 1 for the first value of x. Let's substitute it and see what can we have for y. We say y is equal to 2 minus 3 is what is x is 1, then this one becomes y becomes 2 minus 3, then the value of y given you minus 1. So this is the value of y first, or the value of y can also be, we say y is equal to 2 minus 3x, but the value of x, we have it already as 2. From this expression, we have the value of x as 2. Okay? Now, from this point, what are we going to do next? We say y then becomes 2 minus 3 into 2. Then we say y becomes 2 minus 6. Then the value of y becomes minus 4 respectively. So, therefore, the values of x are 1 and 2, and the values of y are minus 1 and minus 4 respectively. So this is what we have to find. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share for others to benefit. Okay.